Hey everyone, welcome back to another segment of Fresh Part Friday. I'm AJ with Muscle Car Central, and today we've got a few little things that we're going to talk about that are super sweet, super helpful, and are going to make your car even better than what it is now. Towards the end of a build or whatever part of a build you're on, every car owner who loves a good sound system wants to get replaced. Speakers. First one we've got is a DAS 1141, and it's a factory fit AC Delco style, light, good quality, nothing too crazy, but they sound amazing. It's for a 67 and 81. It's the oval shape, 6 by 9 inch rear deck radio speaker. There's no need to cut any sheet metal. These suckers are an NEO magnet, so they just stick, which is pretty sweet. They've got treated fabric accordion, surround edge suspension, a whizzer cone, whatever that is. I ain't never heard of that before, but a whizzer cone. And it's been added for improved high frequency response. And it's got a much larger spider than OEM speakers. These are some funny words. I ain't an audio guy, so you all can judge me, whatever. I don't know. They make super cool speakers and they perform better than any other OEM speaker that you can get your hands on. These are the deal. You can get your bang for your buck on these. These are really, really good. It's the most popular size on several makes and models, but they are compatible for a 67 through 81 Camaro, 67 through 81 Firebird, and a 67 to 72 Chevelle Nova. These speakers will replace the original rear deck speaker for most cars. This comes in the 8 ohms, I think is the proper word that you use, is ohms. Impedance, they got the black fabric dust screen already attached on them, which is super cool. It's something you don't have to fiddle with and worry about whenever you're doing it. And that is just for the rear deck. We also have the front, which is super sweet. This is a DAS 1142. Now, DAS 1142 is a little different, obviously, with the shape and where they go in the car. This is also a factory Delco style fit. It's for the front dash. This is a 4-inch by 10-inch rectangle factory Delco style 8 to 10 ohms speaker. So, yeah, same thing, no cutting, easy to install. And this one, instead of it being a magnet, it will mount with the original hardware or GM reproduction. It'll work. So yeah, we have the mounting brackets for these two. If you can't find them, those part numbers are DAS 1012 for a 67 and 69 models and DAS 1013C, which is for the 70 to 81 models. It's also got a 4x10 fabric cover, just like the original ones that you would get from the factory in the car, and it's compatible with the 67 to 81 Camaro and 67 to 81 Firebird. They're both compatible for those years. The only difference is I don't think this one will work on a Chevelle or Nova, but this one can. So that's a good thing. That is the speakers. And this is the only one we have on our shelf right now. They're hot. You get them while you can. These, same way. So they're a really, really good part to put in your vehicle. They sound good, good quality, factory fit. It's a no-brainer to go on and purchase one of these. These things are absolutely the bee's knees. Now, you've got this little guy right here. This is an LIG 2042. LIG 2042 is a 68 Firebird rear side marker lamp lens backing plate bulb retainer, which these are actually really brand new. We have not had these very long, and from what I know, these things rust out, they get all crappy and so on and so forth, but these guys, I think, are zinc coated for rust protection, which is actually a pretty good thing. So you can cross that and off your worry list. But yeah, these are new correct rear marker light housing plates for your 68 Firebird. Works great for all 68 models. This is what the marker lights socket mounts into from the inside of the rear quarter panel. It is also used to retain the marker light bezel and lamp lens to the car. 2 are required per car, but we sell them as each. So, you know, if you want to, you can get 2, but it's recommended you buy 2. No brainer on that one. For reference, this is a LIG 2045, and it kind of just mounts in back here. And this is a pretty cool little thing because it's already assembled with the gaskets, lenses, and bezels. So that saves you from having to go and search around and buy each individual part, which that's a pretty sick product too. Also comes with the little hardware. You need this and a bulb, and you're set with your quarter panel lights. And that's that. Scroll down on any one of the websites, hot new products, box, flames. Click that sucker. It'll tell you what's hot, new, and fresh in our warehouse. We'll see you on the next one. I'm AJ, Muscle Car Central.